If I told you that most engines don't die from mileage, but from one invisible mistake people make every time they change oil, would you believe me? Because here's the truth no dealership will ever admit. Your engine's lifespan isn't determined by the parts inside it. It's determined by what you pour into it, and when. And the scary part? Even drivers who change their oil on time are unknowingly shortening their engine's life by 50,000, 100,000, even 150,000 miles. Why? Because the real secrets that protect an engine for life have nothing to do with the oil brand you buy, but how oil breaks down, what contaminants destroy it, and which simple habits mechanics use to make engines last forever. Today, I'm revealing 10 oil secrets that master mechanics swear by, things you will never find in your owner's manual, and things oil companies will never put on the label. Secret number 7 alone is something even experienced drivers get wrong, and it silently destroys engines every single day. So stay to the end, because if you understand these 10 oil secrets, your engine could easily run 350,000 miles or more, smooth, quiet, and clean, for life. Secret number 1, oil doesn't wear out. It gets contaminated. Here's the first truth. Engine oil doesn't actually expire. What kills it isn't age, it's contamination. Every mile you drive adds fuel dilution, soot, moisture, metal wear particles, acids from combustion, silicone from gaskets and sealants, carbon sludge. This contamination destroys oil faster than heat or mileage ever will. A veteran Toyota technician once put it perfectly. Engines don't fail from old oil. They fail from dirty oil. This is why two cars with identical mileage can have completely different engine conditions. One engine has clean oil with stable additives. The other is filled with contaminated acidic fluid, slowly dissolving bearings from the inside. And here's the kicker. Contaminated oil destroys engines faster. In newer GDI, gas direct injection engines, because GDI creates more soot and microcarbon. This is why modern engines must follow stricter oil change habits, even if the manual claims otherwise. Secret number 2, the manufacturer oil interval isn't about protecting your engine. Let's address the elephant in the room. Why do most manuals claim 7,500 miles, 10,000 miles, or even 15,000 miles between oil changes? Is it because modern oil is so advanced? It's because manufacturers must reduce maintenance costs on paper, meet government fuel economy targets, boost resale ratings, lower projected ownership costs, pass emission certifications, satisfy marketing departments. None of this has anything to do with longevity. A retired Honda engineer told Consumer Reports, long oil intervals are for marketing, not for engine protection. This is why mechanics, including dealership technicians, almost never follow these intervals on their own cars. Why? Because they actually see oil-bearing damage long before the owner notices anything. Real-world proof? Blackstone Labs found that oil begins losing additive strength by 4,500 to 6,000 miles in most modern engines. Meaning, if you follow the official 10,000-mile interval, you're driving half your miles with weakened protection. Secret number 3, cold starts cause 80% of engine wear, and oil choice matters. Most people think engine wear happens during long road trips or hard acceleration. Wrong. 80% of engine wear happens in the first 10 to 30 seconds after you start your engine. Here's why. Oil is still cold and thick. Oil hasn't reached the camshaft and timing components. Bearings are momentarily unprotected. Piston rings have not expanded fully. Fuel runs rich on startup, washing down cylinder walls. This is why your oil's pour point, cold viscosity, and additive chemistry determine whether your engine wears fast or barely wears at all. A premium synthetic oil will reach critical engine parts up to 3 times faster than cheap conventional oil. This means choosing the right oil saves your engine during the first 30 seconds every time you start it. Do the math. 2 starts per day, 700 starts per year, equals over 7,000 engine starts in 10 years. These moments matter more than anything else. Secret number 4, the wrong oil weight doesn't destroy engines immediately, but slowly. Many drivers assume that if the oil is close enough, it's fine. W20, 5W30. What's the difference, right? Wrong. Choosing the wrong grade doesn't blow your engine tomorrow. It slowly destroys it over time through higher wear metals, reduced oil film thickness, extra heat on road bearings, increased oil consumption, ring seal breakdown, varnish formation, higher turbo temperatures, if turbocharged. Modern engines have extremely tight tolerances, and the oil viscosity must match them perfectly. But here's the twist most drivers don't know. As your engine ages, tolerances widen, meaning the ideal oil weight actually changes. This is why master mechanics often step up oil viscosity after 80,000 to 120,000 miles. Your engine at 150,000 miles doesn't behave like it did at 15,000, and your oil shouldn't either. Secret number 5. Additives matter more than oil brand. Most drivers think oil performance depends on the brand. Mobil 1, Castrol, Pennzoil, Amsoil. Sure, the brand matters. But the real difference comes from the additive package, including molybdenum, anti-wear, boron, friction modifier, calcium, detergent, magnesium, detergent, ZDDP, zinc phosphorus for metal protection, dispersants, antioxidants, viscosity index improvers. Two oils with the same viscosity can perform completely differently based on their additive chemistry. For example, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum, GTL based, stays unbelievably clean due to its low volatility base oil. Amsoil Signature has elite high temperature stability due to ester and PAO base stocks. Mobil 1 Extended Performance is engineered for long drain oxidation resistance. Royal Purple uses Cinerlec to bond to metal surfaces. This is why serious mechanics don't ask, "What brand should I use?" They ask, "What additive package does this oil use?" Secret number 6. Cheap oil filters shorten engine life more than old oil. This one shocks people. A cheap oil filter can destroy your engine, even if you always use good oil. Here's why. Low-quality filters have weaker bypass valves, paper media that collapses, lower dirt-holding capacity, poor sealing surfaces, shorter lifespan before restriction, inferior anti-drainback valves. When a filter begins restricting flow, especially on cold starts, your engine starves for oil. Long before the oil looks dirty, your bearings suffer invisible damage. A master engine builder once said, "I don't care what oil you use." If you use a cheap filter, the wear shows up every time. This is why mechanics often use OEM filters, Wix XP, Bosch Distance Plus, Mobil 1 filters, Fram Ultra, not the orange can. The filter is your oil's bodyguard. If it fails, everything fails. Secret number 7. Leaving oil in too long doesn't just wear the engine. It turns the oil toxic. Here's the secret almost nobody knows. Old oil isn't just dirty. It becomes acidic. Moisture turns into acid. Fuel dilution turns into varnish. Heat turns additives into sludge. This acidic oil begins to corrode bearings, eat into aluminum, weaken gaskets, stain camshaft lobes, thicken into sludge, gum up VVT solenoids, clog tiny oil passages. It's not the mileage that kills engines. It's the chemistry. Blackstone Labs studies show that oil oxidation spikes after 5,000 to 6,000 miles in GDI engines due to soot contamination, meaning if you're stretching oil intervals, you're slowly poisoning your engine from the inside. Secret number 8. High heat is the silent engine killer, and most oils aren't prepared. Most drivers think oil temperature stays around the coolant temperature, maybe 200 degrees Fahrenheit. 93 degrees Celsius, give or take. Wrong. On modern engines, especially turbos or small displacement GDI engines, oil temperatures easily hit 230 degrees Fahrenheit, 250 degrees Fahrenheit, even 280 degrees Fahrenheit during the highway merging. Uphill climbs, towing, hot summer traffic, spirited acceleration, long idle periods. And here's the scary part. Every 18 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius increase in oil temperature cuts its lifespan in half. That means the oil in your engine could already be broken, long before you think it's time for a change. This is why some oils begin to shear down, oxidize, burn off, lose viscosity, form varnish, thicken into sludge, much sooner than expected. A senior tribologist at Afton Chemical once said, "Heat destroys oil faster than mileage ever will." This is exactly why high-performance oils use ester-based stocks, modal, Amsoil, GTL base oils, Pennzoil Ultra, PAO synthetics, Mobile One, EP, high-temp antioxidants. If your oil isn't engineered for extreme temperature stability, your engine is running on borrowed time. Secret number 9. Your driving style changes what oil you should use. Oil choice is not one size fits all. The oil that works for someone who drives calmly might be completely wrong for someone who tows, drives in hot weather, has long highway commutes, uses a turbo engine, lives in mountainous areas, accelerates aggressively, takes short trips. Driving style changes everything. If you mostly take short trips, your engine rarely reaches full operating temperature. Moisture builds up, fuel dilution increases. This means your oil breaks down faster. Solution: change oil earlier, 4,000 to 5,000 miles, and use oils with strong detergents. If you tow or drive at high RPM, you generate extreme heat. Heat destroys oil film strength. Thin oils shear down fast. Solution: use higher viscosity oils, 5W30, 5W40, and oils with strong high temperature stability, ester-based. If you own a turbo engine, turbo bearings reach 450 degrees Fahrenheit plus. Cheap oils will literally cook into carbon. Solution: use premium synthetics with low volatility and anti-coking properties. If you live in a hot state, thin oil, 0W-20, struggles in extreme summer heat. Solution: step up one viscosity grade. Example, 0W20 to 5W30, 5W40. If you live in cold winters, oil must flow instantly during cold starts. Solution: use low W oils, 0WXX, and choose PAO/ester synthetics. Driving style equals oil strategy. This is why professionals say, the oil you choose should match the life you live. Secret number 10. The right oil can add 150,000 miles to your engine, but only if you combine it with these 5 mechanic habits. Even the best oil can't save an engine if you ignore the habits that guarantee long-term survival. These 5 habits come straight from master mechanics, the people who see engines fail every day. Habit number 1. Always warm the engine before hard driving. Never push your engine until the oil reaches 180 degrees Fahrenheit, 82 degrees Celsius. Cold oil equals thick oil. Thick oil equals slow flow. Slow flow equals on metal wear. Most engine damage happens in the first 10 minutes of driving. Be patient. Your engine will reward you. Habit number 2. Don't shut off your engine immediately after hard driving. Hot shutdowns bake oil in the turbo and create carbon. Always idle 20 to 30 seconds after normal driving. 60 to 120 seconds after highway pulls or towing. Your oil will stay clean. Your turbo will last 100,000 miles longer. Guaranteed. Habit number 3. Use premium oil filters. A cheap oil filter can undo everything good oil does. Mechanics trust Wix XP, Fram Ultra Synthetic, Bosch Distance Plus, Mobile One Extended Performance, OEM filters, Toyota, Honda, Mazda, Subaru. Spend the extra $3 to $5. It's the smartest investment you can make. Habit number 4. Change oil, based on reality, not your owner's manual. Your manual is written for EPA testing, marketing departments, fuel economy requirements, not engine longevity. Use real-world intervals. 5,000 miles for GDI engines, 6,000 to 7,500 miles for port injection engines, 4,000 to 5,000 miles for turbos. Want your engine to last forever? Shorter intervals, better oil, better filter. Habit number 5. The oil check rule mechanics live by. Every mechanic checks their oil more often than regular drivers. Why? Because oil level and oil color tell you when fuel dilution is happening, when oil is burning, when sludge is forming, when your PCV system is clogged, when your rings are wearing out, when your valve stem seals are failing. Oil speaks. And mechanics, listen. If you learned even one new thing today, imagine what your engine will look like. After applying all 10, smoother, quieter, cleaner, stronger, longer lasting. Now I want to know, which oil secret surprised you the most? Secret number 3? Secret number 7? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. And if you want more mechanic-proven tips that actually save engines, hit like, tap subscribe, and turn on notifications. Your engine will thank you later.